So, infusing your content with humanization has been a key differentiator long before AI became the hot topic that it is today. And I know this because I had a lot of success in the not for profit sector before stepping into a variety of content marketing, content creation, content strategy roles in the for profit sector, and realizing that these audiences were making similar demands as the not for profit audiences. They wanted an emotional connection. They wanted brands to start communicating with them like humans and really treating them like humans and not numbers and wallets. And they wanted to make sure that their money was going to be well spent. And not every business was going to be able to make that change. So the ability to meet these demands through content was going to be a differentiator. So now AI comes along and the stakes are higher, and there's this whole other level of differentiation here. And it's creating content that doesn't look like what some are calling AI content slop. And it's about upskilling your copy, messaging, and content skills to showcase those essential human elements in content, everything from emotion to creativity. And learning how to humanize and evolve these skills not only helps content marketers that have been doing this for a while stay relevant and keep their jobs, but it also helps new marketers and recent graduates enter our modern marketing reality. So really, before AI, humanizing content was a game changer. Now you have to evolve your skills to complement how you're using AI in your business so that that content can still make that meaningful connection with other humans who demand that from brands.